Hey Dee, what are you doing there?
I am giving our dive gear annual service check, so to speak. Changing out all the O-rings in our cameras, getting ready for next week.
Okay, so that's your camera, right?
That is my camera right now, yep.
You're putting new O-rings in.
Yes, I am. And we have your new camera.
My new camera, which is a Sea Life DC2000.
Yes.
Which I can hardly wait to use.
Right, that's a new camera for you. And next to that, we have the Mavic Air, which is our drone. And we hope to get some different views from that, some good footage that we haven't seen before. And this is all in preparation for our trip to the Bahamas that we leave on next week.
Oh yeah, we're excited, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
We're going sailing.
Yep, we're going sailing. It's going to be an awesome vacation. Sailing the Bahamas for the summer.
Alright everybody, we made it to Miami today. Ready to board our boat. And this is downtown Miami. Take a look over here, and I believe that is the Juliet through the trees.
More so, Pamela, that begs the question, where art thou, Romeo?
Pamela, let me see, we left at what, 1 p.m. today?
Somewhere around there.
And it is now about 7 p.m. It's been calm seas. We've had a nice dinner. We are getting ready for our arrival tonight. Approximately 10:30 we'll be in the area of Bimini. And tomorrow, after we check into customs, we will be diving moments afterwards.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Exciting, exciting.
Again, be sure you hold it partially level, just none of this or this. Take your heading right here. I'm gonna get you a heading of 210. So I would.
Don't miss next time when we hit the water.